Look, you know your current financial situation. You know what it looks like. Am I right or wrong? You know how long you've been doing it. Am I right or wrong? You know that if you keep doing what you're doing for the next 10 years, what you did for the last 10, where will you be then? So what I always ask people is, what you got to lose by giving something different a try? You know what same did. What's wrong with different? The money is in the unknown. The money is not in the known. The money's somewhere that you have not discovered. The problem is you comfortable with what you've discovered. And I always tell people, I'm just straight with people, everything around you is changing. Everything is changing. As we sit here, you're getting older. Anybody with kids will tell you, they'll show you fast. How old are you getting? Like, I'm 10. I just had you. Yeah, that was 10 years ago. Just don't feel like it, does it? You gotta have some kind of measuring stick sometime. That was 10 years ago. Yep. Now let me ask you a question. Where were you before he was born? Where are you now? Same job, same thing. And how you think it's gonna look when he's 20? And let me tell you something. Education ain't gonna be the same cost in 10 years that it is now. So now how your kids can go to school? They cutting back all the grant programs, the whole grant, all that's gone. Even kids with 4.5 GPA, over 1,000 SAT, over 30 ACT, they don't have no scholarships. Because now all the money's gone.